LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus FX506LH-HN110T laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Carol, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The Asus FX506LH-HN110T laptop was brought in for servicing due to a malfunctioning LCD display and the need for internal maintenance. The user reported screen flickering and poor display quality, along with concerns about system overheating and fan noise. An initial diagnosis was performed to identify the issues. It was confirmed that the LCD panel was damaged and required replacement. Additionally, the cooling system showed signs of heavy dust buildup, indicating the need for deep internal cleaning. The customer was informed about the condition of the device and was advised to proceed with both an LCD screen replacement and a thorough deep cleaning to restore the laptop to optimal working condition. We sourced the compatible replacement LCD panel with the correct specification for the FX506LH-HN110T, including the appropriate resolution, size, connector type, and refresh rate to match the original display. With a laptop powered down and protected against static discharge, the disassembly process began. The bottom cover was removed and the necessary components were disconnected to access the LCD screen. The damaged screen was carefully detached from the laptop's frame and a video cable was disconnected. The replacement panel was then installed and secured properly into the housing. After installation, we tested the new LCD screen to ensure that it displayed correctly. The image was sharp, colors were accurate, and the brightness levels were restored to their original performance. Once the screen replacement was completed successfully, we proceeded to the deep cleaning stage. The laptop was disassembled further to access internal components, such as the fans, heat sinks, and motherboard. Dust, dirt, and debris had accumulated heavily around the cooling system, especially on the fan blades and vents. This buildup can restrict airflow, causing the laptop to overheat and perform poorly. We use compressed air soft brushes and lint-free clothes to clean the internal components thoroughly. Extra care was taken around sensitive areas to avoid damage to the circuitry. The old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was inspected, since it had dried out and was no longer effective. We cleaned the surfaces and applied a fresh layer of high-quality thermal paste. The laptop was reassembled with all clean parts and newly applied thermal interface material. Each screw and connection was checked to ensure a secure and proper fit. A full functionality test was conducted after reassembly. The fan ran smoothly and quietly. Temperatures stayed within safe operating limits, and the new display worked flawlessly without flickering or distortion. The overall performance of a laptop improved significantly after the service. The system ran cooler, more quietly, and the display output was crystal clear, improving the user experience for both productivity and gaming. The device was returned to the customer in excellent working condition. We provided tips on proper laptop handling, cleaning schedules, and monitoring for early signs of hardware issues to prolong the life of the unit. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.